Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. Let's start. The first question is Raju has 325 rupees, Seema has 64 rupees. How much money must Raju give it to Seema so that Raju has 3 times as much as Seema? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how much money Raju should give it to Seema. Let's see how to solve this problem. Raju has 325 rupees, Seema has 64 rupees. Let's say Raju gives x rupees to Seema. Raju's final amount is 325 minus x because Raju is giving money to Seema. Seema's final amount is 64 plus x because she is getting money from Raju. Raju to have 3 times as much as Seema. So the equation is 325 minus x equals to 3 multiplied by 64 plus x. 325 minus x equals to 192 plus 3x. 325 minus 192 equals to 4x. X equals to 133 by 4. X equals to 33.25. Want to see the solution from start to finish? Watch the full video again to understand how I solve this Math Olympiad question. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please ask me in the comment section. The second question is Arya mid-semestral assessment result slip was torn accidentally. Part of her mathematics and science marks are missing. Given that her total marks was 300 for 4 subjects, what was the smallest possible difference between her mathematics and science marks? This is the torn result paper. In English, she got 76, mathematics 8 is there but 1 number is missing, and science 7 is there, 1 number is missing, Hindi 63. And read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Total marks are 300. Let's see how to solve this problem. Total marks of Hindi and English 76 plus 63 equals to 139. Sum of mathematics and science marks 300 minus 139 equals to 161. 82 plus 79 equals to 161. In maths 8 number is there, in science 7 number is there. If you add both, we have to get 161. The difference between mathematics and science is 82 minus 79 is 3 marks. So the difference is 3 marks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.